Good day, guys. Welcome back to this channel. So, to those of you that are yet to subscribe, be it you are new to this channel, make sure you do well to click on the subscribe button, like, share, make your comments. Now, let's see what we'll be expecting on gold for this week. So, before that, follow our Telegram channel to stay updated. You will find the link to the Telegram channel in the comment section. So, go to the comment section and follow our Telegram to stay updated. Now, let's see what we'll be expecting on gold. Literally, we will be expecting a fall on gold. There are a couple of reasons why we will be expecting it a fall on gold. Let's look at it on the fundamental aspects. We all know gold is actually a safe haven currency, right? So if there's what we call risk on and risk off, but I will not explain that. So the reason why we'll be expecting a sell on gold is because many of the money in gold will be going into stocks, cryptos, and all these much more riskier assets. Due to the fact that Trump has already won, so a lot of investors now have faith in stocks. That is why you see US 30 pushing up, you will see Nasdaq 100 pushing up, you will see the crypto markets pushing up. Why gold, which is a safe haven currency, investors are now more confident and moving their money away from this gold. So the reason why gold will continue to sell. And if you take a look at our dollar index is actually on a bullish move. It has actually been rolling up. So if it is going bullish, of course, we should expect any other thing against your USD to fall. So you can see gold will also fall. So now let's take a look at it on the technical aspects. Full trend, uptrend, you can see it has been giving us a series of higher high and an higher low. You can see the daily time frame, series of higher high and an higher low. When you take a look at this daily time frame here, I want you to pay attention. This is our higher high, and here is the higher low. This is the higher high, and here is the higher low. This is also higher high. When markets give us this higher low here, it's supposed to give us a new higher high, but guess what? It did not do that. In fact, it eventually dropped. And what you can see here, an inverse head and shoulder pattern. Sorry, this is an head and shoulder pattern. What does it indicate? It indicates a reversal movement to the downside. So this is also an indication that gold will be dropping. So with what I'm seeing here that gold did, markets pushed up. So what I'll be expecting is gold to give us some more drop. If gold eventually drop and clear this low, then definitely we would be on a bearish move to the downside. So basically this week, our speculation on gold will be to the downside. We should be expecting more sell. But personally, I would love to see it break this low, thereby giving us a confirmation that it's now dropping, then a pullback, then we can now hop in on this sell of gold to the downside. So my forecast is a sell. If there will be any changes, I'll let you guys know. So follow our Telegram channel to stay updated.